So we are the tester tech. I'm called awablesschi. We program ruling gates. As you can see, here is a programming card. This is a brain of the gate where we control by using the two remote control. You can see the whole system of the gate. Just cover it. That is how it looks like. That is the system. These are the rackets. See it functions with the help of two remote. So you can see the house that the remote control is being used there. It's a very beautiful house. So we'll open it again. So you can have more than this amount of remote control on your choice. This is how it function. So you can be closing the gate, and actually there's something you can just hold the brakes at halfway. The gate will post at halfway. Then you can open it back, or you push it back forward. The gate now will continue back in case of any danger. Open it back. So you can have more than 10 remotes, depending on the amount of people live in the house. You can just add the code on the programming in the controller. It's the control units, and you can see the racket of the gate. And we put this gate there, and it's very good. So we can program any TV lifters or any industrial machine, automated system. We can program them, even AI system. So it just depends. You need to bring your idea there. We make it to come to reality. So close our gate back.